Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking game, the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker and multifunction pressure cooker. We found this fantastic product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker? As the name suggests, this is not just a rice cooker, it's a multifunctional pressure cooker that boasts an impressive 18-in-1 functionality. This means you can cook rice, steam veggies, prepare oatmeal, and even create gourmet sous vide dishes, all with one appliance. It's designed to make cooking simpler and more efficient, catering to a wide range of culinary needs. Let's delve into some of its standout features. First up is its remarkable versatility. With 18 functions at your fingertips, you can choose from different types of rice, such as white rice, sushi rice, and brown rice, adjusting the texture to your preference. It also offers 3 types of oatmeal and various grain options. The additional settings include slow cook, steam, sauté, and even a delay timer for those busy days when you want a hot meal waiting for you when you get home. One of the most impressive features of this rice cooker is its fuzzy logic technology. This advanced system allows the cooker to control temperature precisely throughout the cooking process, ensuring perfect rice every time. Whether you're preparing a big batch for family dinner or just a small portion for yourself, you can trust that the COSORI will deliver consistent results. Now, if you're someone who dreads the cleanup process after cooking, you'll appreciate the easy-to-clean design of the COSORI rice cooker. All the accessories are dishwasher-safe, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. This is especially beneficial for busy individuals or families who want to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying their meals. So, who is this product suitable for? The COSORI rice cooker is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling family meals, or even a cooking enthusiast wanting to experiment with different dishes, this rice cooker has something for everyone. Its range of functionalities means it can cater to various dietary preferences and cooking styles. In terms of practical use cases, imagine coming home after a long day at work. Instead of spending time slaving over a hot stove, you can simply set the COSORI to prepare a delicious risotto while you unwind. Or perhaps you're hosting a gathering and want to serve a variety of dishes? You can steam vegetables, cook rice, and even prepare a hearty stew all in one go, saving yourself time and hassle. Another great feature is the stress-free venting design. The seal/vent button is conveniently placed away from the steam release valve, and the steam release is angled backward at 30 degrees, making it much safer and easier to vent the cooker without the risk of burns. This thoughtful design consideration adds to the overall user experience, ensuring that you can focus on cooking rather than worrying about safety. Lastly, the real-time progress bar on the display is a game-changer. It allows you to monitor your cooking at a glance, providing peace of mind, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks in the kitchen. In summary, the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker and multifunction pressure cooker is a versatile, user-friendly appliance that makes meal preparation easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're cooking rice, steaming vegetables, or trying out sous vide, this cooker has got you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,